Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube logo using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Canva. You can open up Canva from your computer or your mobile phone. And here I have opened my Canva with my computer and I'm going to show you how we can create YouTube logo. So guys, in Canva, to create YouTube logo, we can use template from Canva to make the process easier and faster. You just need to go to the design and then you can search for example, YouTube logo. And there will be a lot of logos you can use. And I'm just going to pick a random logo. From here, I'm going to choose wait. Okay guys, I'm just going to choose the free logo, for example this one. Okay, and then I'm going to customize it. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to change the name like this. You can customize it as you like. Like this, and you can change the color if you want. I'm going to change it to, let's try gray. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and this is the result. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create YouTube logo using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.